Living a productive life is essential for our personal growth, well being, and spiritual development. It enables us to achieve our goals, contribute to society, and fulfill our purpose in life. However, living a productive life requires us to build positive habits that align with our goals and values. Our habits and routines determine the direction of our lives and shape our character. Therefore, it is crucial to cultivate positive habits and let go of negative ones that hinder our progress. Building new habits is not easy, and it requires determination, discipline, and patience. The first step towards building new habits is to identify the habits we want to cultivate. This requires self reflection and introspection. We need to identify the values and goals we want to achieve and the habits that align with them. For example, if we want to live a healthy lifestyle, we might choose to cultivate the habit of daily exercise or meditation. Similarly, if we want to improve our productivity, we might choose to cultivate the habit of daily goal setting and time management. Once we've identified the habits we want to cultivate, we need to create a plan for building them. This might involve setting achievable goals, creating a schedule, and tracking our progress. It's important to start small and be consistent. For example, if we want to cultivate the habit of daily exercise, we might start with a 10-minute workout and gradually increase the duration over time. It is essential to create our progress and reward ourselves for our achievements. This can be in the form of positive self talk, a small treat, or a fun activity. Letting go of old habits can be challenging because they are deeply ingrained in our subconscious. Old habits may have served a purpose in the past, but they may not be serving us anymore. To let go of old habits, we need to identify the triggers that led us to engage in them. This requires mindfulness and self awareness. We need to observe our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors and identify the patterns that lead to our old habits. Once we've identified these triggers, we can develop strategies to avoid them or replace them with positive habits. For example, if we tend to eat junk food when we're stressed, we might choose to engage in a relaxing activity like yoga or meditation instead. It is important to remember that building new habits and letting go of old ones is a gradual process. It takes time, effort, and patience. We may encounter we may encounter setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's important to stay committed to our goals and not give up. We can learn from our mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Spirituality can play a significant role in building positive habits and letting go of negative ones. It provides us with a sense of purpose, meaning, and guidance. When we align our habits with our spiritual values and belief, we are more likely to experience a sense of fulfillment and inner peace. Spirituality can also provide us with the motivation and strength we need to overcome our challenges and persevere in the face of adversity. Incorporating spiritual practices into our daily routine can help us build positive habits and let go of negative ones. For example, daily meditation or prayer can help us cultivate the habit of mindfulness, which is essential for identifying and changing our behavior patterns. Reading spiritual texts or attending spiritual gatherings can provide us with inspiration and guidance for living a meaningful and purposeful life. Living a productive life requires us to be intentional about our habits and routines. Living a productive life requires us to be intentional about our habits and routines. We need to identify the habits that align with our goals and values, create a plan for building them, and let go of negative habits that hinder our progress. It takes time, effort, and patience, but with determination and mindfulness, we can cultivate positive habits and live a productive and fulfilling life. In conclusion, building positive habits and letting go of negative ones is a gradual process that requires determination, discipline, and patience. Incorporating spirituality into our daily routine can provide us with the guidance and motivation we need to live a productive and fulfilling life aligned with our goals and values.